Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video we're going to open up this Insta360 triple suction cup car mount. In the box we have 3 suction cups, 2 adapters, a horizontal support rod, expansion support rod, and a manual. And you can kind of see a picture of how it would mount. And how to check it, how to operate the knobs. So let's open this up. In here we have the instruction manual on how to use it. We have one of the support rods. Here's another support rod. We have 3 of these suction mounts. And then we have 2 of these other mounts. So I'm not going to unbox this from here, but I will make a video later on showing how it attaches to my car. Pretty excited about using this. I just bought a Tesla and it has a glass roof, and we're going to see how this does on some of the videos that I make driving around. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.